Here comes Doug and Brian on the French River, August 2007. This is Little Pine Rapids. Brian's now standing up, surveying the rapids, paddling in, coming up to it. And as you'll notice, in the rapids is Wally in here somewhere. There he is. Wally was swimming. Wally's a champion swimmer with world records that he holds. And we're still waiting for Doug and Brian. Here they come. Decided on a spot, looks like. Yeah, they're coming through. Alright, they're just going to start at the end of the rapids right now. Oh. We have a successful run with Wally trying to tip the canoe.